Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another wig installation video. I had to switch my setup, y'all, because my ring light broke. I left it plugged in and running for a couple of days, and I think either the light bulb went out or whatever, so I got to replace that. But luckily I have a nice little, what is this called, the vanity light setup thing going on. So this is just where I had to come and film. So I hope you guys like this setup. Let me know if you guys like the way I do it in this room, or if you guys like it better in the bathroom, so I can keep the consistency. But anyways, you guys, ISEE Hair has sent me another wig, and they're always so freaking cute. Like, look at their little tote bag. It's super nice, and they have some different features going on with their wig. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this unboxing. They said I can literally put this wig on and be out that door. I am about to go to an event that I'm hosting, so I need something real quick. So hopefully they do exactly. So yes, you guys, I'm super excited to see how this wig turns out. So this is the box, and it is stuffed to capacity, y'all, because it can barely even close. And I'm gonna open it up like so. You guys can see the inside, and then y'all, they are so fancy. So I always expect the best when it comes to their quality. Then we have the wig right here. Oh, y'all. So they have the wig right here. And then we have this. So this is something that they are featuring now on their website. And I want to show y'all what it looks like. Can y'all see this? So let me tell y'all what this is called, because I want to make sure I don't mess this up. And you literally can remove the combs from the end cap. This literally is, let me show y'all how it looks. Y'all see this? Super breathable, adjustable, and all of that. And as we just saw this drop, they do have a band as well for the end cap itself, so you can attach it to the end cap. But this is not a wig cap. I want to be very clear with everybody in the adjustable design of this. Snug lace is one of the most key components of a good, proper wig fitting, making sure that the lace is literally almost melted to your scalp. So that's something that ISEE Hair is trying to ensure that they achieve with all of their different wigs. So y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, the snugness of it, and it, as you can see, like, it has the component to go behind the ear. So you guys see that. And of course, per usual, you can powder your lace if you see fit. I'm already wearing makeup for today, so I want to make sure, I wanted to make sure that I showed y'all just how blendable the lace is. Y'all see that? How it just blends in, and you can just add some powder if you see fit to the lace to just make sure that it's just a seamless process. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, and I love the texture. I love the texture. I love this texture. So we're gonna look at the lace of the wig. As you guys can see, they have this already pre-plucked to the gods, and this pre-parted. You, of course, you can change the parting if you see fit. And then they have the adjustable band in the back. I'm gonna cut the tag off, but I'm gonna keep it. Oh, y'all, this is snug, honey. This is snug, honey. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Wow, this is snug. Like, this is snug. Let me make sure. I think one of the combs, okay, there, hold on. Okay. So, literally, I gotta get up for this, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna put you down. I gotta get up for this. Do y'all see this? This was literally bada boom, bada bam. So we're gonna get a little closer to the knots of this. This is super pretty. I'm gonna just take a little bit powder, just a little bit, because it actually is blending in perfectly fine as we see it. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more to make it just a little bit more natural. Okay guys, I'm back, I'm dressed, and this is my final look of this wig. and I am absolutely in love. So this wig literally fits like a glove, as you guys can see. I did press out just a little bit because, to be honest, ISEE hair was not playing when they said just put the wig on and you'll be good to go. There was no extra steps that I needed. I kind of just wanted to smooth out the ends of the hair, like you guys can see. And I know this is a kinkier texture, so sometimes people stray away from this because they don't think it'll actually look or get straight enough, or you can actually press it out, curl it, and all of that. I will probably curl it another day, so if you guys watch the vlogs, you all will see how it looks curled. But all in all, like, do y'all see this? It looks super natural. It looks super natural, and literally it's just so freaking cute. I have no complaints whatsoever, and the wig, like I said, it is super snug. I was a little concerned at first because I'm used to like wearing the wig caps and just how the wig, you guys know how a wig cap feels, but I can 100% confirm that their new product that they have on their website, I can definitely confirm that their product that they have on their website makes the wigs fit even more snug. And where is the lace? Like, can you find the lace? Because I definitely cannot see it, and that is amazing. So if you guys love this wig and you want to check out this wig or any other wig that they have to offer, then please go to my description box and click the link to their website. The link to this wig and all their other products will be there, as well as a coupon code. And if y'all love this wig and you can see yourself rocking this wig, then y'all already know to please leave me a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.